Fireplace Studio in Adelaide, a beautiful showroom. Marie, tell us about the model that we've chosen to go with in our home.
So we have chosen a frameless model to keep it really sleek and modern, and it's just over 1 metre wide, so that will fit our space in our living area perfectly. I also love the fact that it's the lowest clearance for a TV of any fireplace on the market. So that makes it really easy for me and my clients, and great for our house as well.
It's pretty toasty here. It's obviously a very effective heating mechanism.
Yep.
But what happens when it gets to the heat that you want it to be at?
Yeah, so Escea do it very well, where they've designed the heaters with a thermostat, which is the remote control thermostat. When that thermostat reaches temperature, these heaters go to what's called effect only. So the burner goes from 100% and drops right down to less than 20%, so that once it reaches temperature, you still get the nice flame look, but you don't get the big heat output.
Perfect.
Thank you, Adam.